In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Xero. If you've ever ended up with duplicate entries for the same customer or supplier, merging them keeps your records clean and your reporting accurate. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll point out what to look for so you feel confident before you commit to the change. Start by logging into Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Contacts area. You'll typically find this in the main navigation. From there, open all contacts to see the full list. This gives you the complete picture, which is helpful for spotting duplicates based on names or similar details. Next, select the contacts you want to merge by using the checkboxes beside each one. Take a moment to confirm you're picking entries that truly represent the same person or organization. Matching names, similar email addresses, or shared transaction histories are strong clues. If you're not 100% sure, pause and double-check. Merging is designed to be a deliberate action. With the duplicates selected, click Merge. Xero will open a review screen that summarizes your selections. Carefully review the selected contacts to make sure you didn't accidentally include the wrong one. This is your chance to verify everything before anything changes. You'll be prompted to choose the primary contact information. Think of this as the surviving profile that will remain after the merge. Pick the contact that has the most complete and